Dealing with knee pain during squats. In this video, we present 3 effective techniques to help you squat with top knee pain. So let's dive into these. Wait, before starting the video, we introduce you with Joint Restore Gummies, which will help you to relieve knee pain naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Technique 1. Wide stance squats. Our first technique involves adopting a wider stance to reduce the pressure on the knees during squats. Position your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, with your toes pointed outward at a comfortable angle to accommodate your natural hip and knee alignment. Focus on sitting back and down, emphasizing the engagement of your glutes and hamstrings while keeping your knees aligned with your toes to minimize strain on the knee joints. Technique 2. Partial range squats. Performing partial range squats can help alleviate knee pain by reducing the depth of the squat movement. Focus on the controlled descent and ascent, emphasizing muscle engagement while avoiding placing excessive stress on the knees at the lowest point of the squat. Technique 3. Assisted squats. Utilizing assistance during squats can provide additional support for individuals experiencing top knee pain. Hold on to a stable surface, such as a squat rack, a sturdy piece of furniture, or a resistance band anchored securely to help distribute your body weight and reduce the load on your knees during the squat movement. Maintain proper form and posture, focusing on engaging your core and lower body muscles while using the assistance as needed to perform the exercise comfortably and safely. Where to get the Joint Restore Gummies? Get Joint Restore Gummies from official website. Click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time, stay tuned.